आज मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन ले रहा हूं और आपको दिखाता हूं व्हाट दे हैव लर्न। आर यू गाइज रेडी? प्लीज मेक सम नॉइस। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डू नॉट वेस्ट द टाइम। आपको क्या करना है? आई विल कॉल यू वन बाय वन ऑन द स्टेज, 3-4 कैंडिडेट्स। रेस्ट विल आस्क द क्वेश्चन। इज दैट क्लियर? एक एक करके आपको 3-4 को मैं बुलाऊंगा, जिसके मैं नाम अनाउंस करूंगा वो यहां पे आएगा। बाकी सबके सब क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे। पहले आपको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है एंड देन you can ask the student to put up you questions. Is that clear? Yes, sir. आप सभी को कोऑपरेट करके क्वेश्चंस करने हैं। Ready? Yes, sir. And yeah, it is Mr. Asu. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Put your hand together for him. You can use this.
Hello everyone, how are you? First of all, I would like to pay thanks from the bottom of my heart, Mr. Answer, a great personality to provide me golden chance to talk about myself. Well, my name is As Mohammed and I am from Gangole, a located town in district Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I have completed my intermediate from SJSM Mentor College, Gango, Saharanpur. Currently, I am focusing on developing my overall personality, especially my communication skills at Opera Institute of Spoken English with an answer. My English was absolutely quick, weak, but my continuous efforts and under the valuable guidance of an answer, I made significant improvement. Now I would describe myself as a curious and hardworking individual. I do some entertainment to stay fit, enjoy learning, exploring new methods, and spend quality time with my family and friends. And I deeply committed to self grow and always look for opportunities to improve myself. My short term goal is I wanna go abroad for higher study, and my long term goal is in the long run I aspire to become a successful businessman and achieve my all dreams. My first dream is I perform Hajj with my parents, which is very close to my heart. Finally, I come from a nuclear family which consists of 3 members. My father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife. It brings me at the end of my introduction. Thanks a lot for you listen to me carefully.
Wonderful. In beginning you were a little nervous, but now you are confident. Please put some.
Do you want to ask me some question? Please put up your question.
Do you speak English alone?
Yes, I speak English alone.
Why?
Because I have a no brother and sister. I speak English all alone at home.
Okay. Why do you speak with your friends?
Why?
Why do you speak your friends? Why do you speak in English with your friends?
Why don't you speak
Why
English with
don't?
your friends?
Yes.
I speak English all alone, but sometimes I speak with my friends. My chum friend is Aman. I speak with this.
Do you like visited natural areas?
Do you like
Visited.
visit?
Do you like visit alone and with your friends?
I don't like visited anywhere. I don't like traveling.
What is your dream?
My my dream is in the long run I aspire to become a successful businessman.
Okay.
Okay, please, sir.
You are couch potato. You are couch potato.
No, I am not couch potato.
Okay. Which you are not couch potato.
Yeah.
Which movie do you like?
Which movie do you like? like Bollywood and Punjabi movies.
Okay.
And
Which-
sometime I watch sometime.
Which Punjabi actor you like?
Which Punjabi actor
You like?
I like Jay Randhawa and Dev Kharod. He's a Punjabi actor.
Which movie is Punjabi is your best movie in your life? Do you like that?
I don't remember this.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Put your hand together for It's really well done. Thank you, Mr. Asu, for giving me a wonderful, like, presentation. You have presented yourself in a tremendous way. However, you were a little bit nervous in beginning, but you control your nervousness. Everybody know we come from Hindi medium schools, और ये हमारे साथ होता है. We get nervous in beginning, but it does not matter how you start. ये मायने नहीं रखता आप शुरू कैसे करते हैं, ये मायने रखता है आप कैसे एंड करते हैं. The end was absolutely good in my opinion, and you will improve by and by. Guys, I want to continue, but time does not allow me because I do not want to go too long. So I am going to call one final candidate from my class, and he is none other than Mr. Aman. Please put your hand together for him. He will be speaking a fantastic English also, I think. Aman, please.
Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Hello everyone, I am Aman Malik. I come from Gango, a located town in the districts of Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I have completed my class 12 from Ambeta Peer, and now I am actively working to improving my overall personality, especially my communication skills at Open Institute of Spoken English, Gango. And now I am pursuing BBA. So I personally believe that effective communication is the foundation of both personal and professional growth. So that's why I have chosen to dedicate my time to develop my confidence in public speaking, active listening and English expressions. Now apart from my educational journey, I am working as a shopkeeper at my family owned business. Real world experience has not only taught me the real value of hard working, but also helped me to understand customer behavior, time management and basic business strategies at ground level. And balancing work and study has given me a sense of responsibility at an early age. Now I'm talking about my personal interest. I enjoy watching meaningful and motivational movies that inspire personal growth. In addition to that, I have a passion for video editing. During my free time, I often edit short clips and experiment with visual content. So my short-term goal is to gain expertise in different life and professional skills, especially in communication, digital tools and entrepreneurships. And I am also aiming to be more self-disciplined and curious in everything I pursue. And my long-term goal is to be a successful businessman, and I want to build something my own. That's not only create the value in society but also provide employment to others. And I believe that with hard working, dedication and continuous learning, I'll be able to achieve this dream. So thank you so much. It's the end of my introduction.
How often do you create a educational video? And simple also.
How often?
How often? How often do you create educational video in time?
I edit educational videos in my life many times, and I have been edit videos since 2019.
Do you like create educational video?
Yeah, I like. No, I like. I don't like educational videos. I like some Instagram reels, and most of the time I edit thumbnails and pictures.
Why are you not follow your this your skill? Why are you not follow this skill? Use our life, create education, create videos.
Because I want to be a successful businessman in my field, kirana store.
But this is a good. I think this is a good skill when you create videos.
Yeah, I know it's a good, but I don't wanna be a more editor.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Raman, I have a question for you. Why you choose BBA in graduation?
Bro, I have chosen BBA because in BBA, BBA has only depend on business life, business strategies and entrepreneurships and management. I wanna continue my future in this field. So that's why I have chosen to BBA.
Give him a applaud, big applaud. Okay. And my dear students, if you have completed your graduation, you can contact me because I'm going to help you to create your interview. Now, I would like you ask me some questions.
Sir, who's your favorite Shire and why?
This is an interesting question for me. My favorite shire or poet and why? Well, in COVID-19, I just got into habit of listening Sairis, and it was Rahat Induri. He has passed away, however, and like the way he dedicated the shairi or poetry to audience, it's quite entertaining and engaging. He just have a good personality, good voice to deliver his poetry.
Can you dedicate a shairi of Rahat
Of
Induri,
him.
sir?
Yeah, of course I can dedicate. Once he said, एक शायरी है उनकी, बताता हूं आपको, कि लगेगी आग तो आएंगे घर सभी जद में, लगेगी आग तो आएंगे घर सभी जद में. जद कहते मतलब किसी चीज के उसमें आड़ में आना या लपेटे में आना एक तरीके से. यहां पर सिर्फ मेरा मकान थोड़ा ही है. और की उसने, उन्होंने राहत इंदौरी साहब ने यूं कहा है कि सभी का खून शामिल है इस देश की मिट्टी में, किसी के बाप का हिंदुस्तान थोड़ा ही है. So we have contributed our part.
Yes, sir.
We have contributed our part.
Sir, can
चाहे हम
you
सिख हैं, हिंदू हैं, मुस्लिम हैं, हम सब ने साथ मिलके बलिदान दिया है और सब ने साथ मिलके आजादी हासिल की है.
Sure. Sir, can you dedicate a shairi for students?
शायरी for what?
For students.
Okay, we cannot do shairi now. That other things you can ask me. I have other talent also.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you watch movies?
Certainly not. I don't watch many movies because I'm not a couch potato. However, on Sundays, I have some time. I enroll myself in watching movies, some to get momentum and to learn some vocabulary. I specialize watching in Hollywood movies, and I don't have any favorite actor for Bollywood.
Sir, what is your long-term goal and why?
My long-term goal, I just want to have a peaceful death. This is my long-term goal. Like when I die, when I pass away, no one should say me कि अदनान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. I just want to have a easy and peaceful death.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Other student, do you have any other question?
Sir, what movie do you like the most?
I have watched a number of movies in my life. If I have to choose one, then I would go with Three Idiots. It is one of the most favorite movie of mine. It has every single thing. Learning, I mean, it has learning for students. It has experiments, and certainly it has a lot of fun for people.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Other questions? Do you have any question? Yes. Anybody else? What is my dream? Mansi, this is an interesting question for me. Currently, my dream is to go to Hajj and not to return, means to pass away. Because my mother is there. My mother has passed away in Makkah, and I just want to meet her. I want to hug her. I miss her a lot.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Do you think how should environment for study?
What I think, we should create an educational environment. This is your question.
Yes, sir.
Well, there is a saying. I would answer by saying, "Jacks of all, master of one." आदमी को थोड़ी थोड़ी सी ज्ञान हर एक चीज का होना चाहिए, है ना? He must know how to sing, dance, cook, but master of one, एक किसी चीज का अंदर महारत होनी चाहिए. And how we can realize, how can I be a master of one subject? Like, I'm a master of English. For this you have to dedicate yourself. You have to. No one can do it for you. You will do it for yourself.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर, पढ़ने के लिए कैसा environment होना चाहिए?
What type of environment should be there to study?
Yes, sir.
A peaceful environment makes study or learning easy. If there is too much noise, we can't focus, and we get distracted quite easily.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other question, please? Can we conclude the video? Okay. So guys, I conclude the video here, and please tell me in the comment below, how was it? Did you enjoy? If yes, give double thumbs up, means like, and share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet. Thanks a lot for watching this video.